In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on post notifications in Slack. So if you want to turn on post notifications in Slack, it is pretty simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to do this, go over to your account down here and then click on it. And you'll see we have this option, post notifications is currently on. And this means you have put a post on your notifications in Slack. To resume them, go ahead and choose this option, resume notifications, and this will go ahead and remove the pause that you had applied to your account. So that's how you can unpause or you can remove pause on your notifications in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.